Heavy hitters. Listen, man, you already know who it is. Big Jordan, and I'm back with another video. And obviously, the elephant in the room, this goddamn Chewy box. Like, this is funny to me, but this is what happens when you buy things off of eBay. However, I wasn't even gonna do this is like an unboxing video, literally like an unboxing video. Usually I already have the boot out and, you know, whatever, just chilling right there, and I'll give you my thoughts on it after the fact. But because this is in a Chewy box, I'm gonna just do like a whole unboxing of this, all right? So that's how we're gonna rock in today's video, all right? So without further ado, let's just freaking open this joint, because I'm freaking dying to see these boots. Comment below, let me know what y'all think it is. All right, what kind of Timbs you think it is, because you know it's Timbs. All right, you know it's gonna be boots, so. All right, turn you over, flip her over, boom, boom. Limited release. 11. Just let me tell y'all, I've been looking for these boots for years, man. Like, no lie, like all the boots that I have, like there's only 2 of them that I've been looking for many years. That's my Bishops and these right here. Ah! Yo, let's go. Finally got them, yo. I finally got them. These are just the regular wheat 40 belows, man. I finally got them. Like, and how I got them is crazy, because I was looking at these other Timbs, right, online. The BBE edition, the Beeline edition Timbs, they're like tan, they're wheat, or like yellow right here, or yellow, or blue, or green. I'll put a picture up, but I was looking at them because I was thinking about getting them, and all of a sudden these just popped up out of nowhere. And yo, I've been looking for these for years. I'm talking about since like 2012. Like, I was 22 at the time. I'm about to turn 31 in March. All right, yo, if you a Pisces, drop a Pisces sign in the comment section, or 100 or something. But yo, I finally got them, yo. Can't believe it. And you know, once I seen them, copped them. Like, it wasn't even a question. It wasn't even a question. As soon as I seen these, automatically copped them. I had to. I wanted these for so long. I had to cop them, so. Good. Out of here. Yo, I had to cop them, yo. Come on. I had to cop. Come on, man. Who else you see out here with these, man? I think if you Google these boots, you'll probably see a picture of A$AP Rocky in these. But I've been wanting these for years, yo. Like, no bullshit. Like, I've been wanting these for years, and I finally got them. I finally got them, yo. Like, wow. They here, man. Of course, I'm going to try them on. I'm going to put on some pants and let you guys see how they look with them on. But if you check my other video, I do have the Tommy Hilfiger, the Tommy Hilfiger ones, but I always wanted these too. All right, y'all, so y'all know I had to do it. I whipped them all out. You know, the other Timbs had to come out and play. Like, as you can see, like when I compare it, right? Like the Tommy Hilfiger ones are still like more bigger, right? By like a freaking millimeter, centimeter, I don't know. Somebody made a comment about that in one of my other videos. Whatever. I welcome all criticism, whatever. I love all the comments, good or bad. I love them all. Keep commenting, because we heavy hitters. But yeah, man, these joints is dope. These joints is dope. We got the 6-inch right here. If you ain't got a pair of these, come on, see? They already acting up, man. They already fighting. Man. But as you guys can see, these are the 6-inch right here. I was looking for the 8-inch, which is just a little bit taller, obviously, 2 inches taller. But I don't know. I still might get those. I don't know. But I got those. These are the Tommy Hilfiger joints right here. As you can see, like I said before, they're so much bigger and bulkier. Why? Because of this shirling right here. And these are the ones that I've been freaking looking for. All right, so let me stop rapping. Let me stop bullshitting around. Let me stop playing with my boots like they action figures. I'm in the sandbox. Let me try these on, man. I got my True Religions on right now. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all right there. True Religions on, so shout out to my boy Tone for the carpet. But anyways, let me try these on and let you guys know like how they feel and all that. All right, y'all, so I got them on the feet. As you guys see, I got my True Religion pants on. You should already be able to tell these are True Religion just by the stitching alone. I mean, come on, man. But anyways, I love these, man, like for real. I love them. As you can see the way I laced them up. All right. I would most likely have these tucked in, but let me stand up so y'all can see, man. These is tough, man. Like, I know people gonna comment and like, yo, Big J, Double G, you know, you already got the other joints, the Tommy Hilfigers, but yo, I want them all, baby. I want them all, baby. I gotta have them all, baby. You know what I'm saying? The things I live by, one thing I always live by is, if you can afford it, why not? I love 40 Belows, y'all already know. I'm not trying to say I'm the 40 Below king or whatever, because I seen other people on Instagram, yo, their freaking boot game go heavy. Like, for real, like, big heavy. You know, they got like 4 more pairs of 40 Belows that I don't have, like the Rust 40 Belows, and I still want those. They got the all black kits or the all black Sherlings, but anyway, let's not get off track. Got the 40 Belows on with the True Religion pants. All right, as you guys can see, my True Religion, my True Religion pants, I wear the Rickies and I wear 36. So that's the kind of pants that I got on. But let me know if y'all fucks with this, all right? And I'm definitely cracking these soon because me and my girl's 3rd year anniversary coming up February 26th. And I will be cracking these open with a True Religion denim outfit, all right? So, yeah, I'm going to definitely do a video on that, on the outfit. So, but let me know what y'all think, man. What y'all, come on, man. What y'all think? What y'all think? I love them, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. You like them? You don't like them? Was it pointless to get them? You know what I'm saying? Which I don't really care if you think it's pointless, but you know what I'm saying? Here in my channel, you can say whatever you want, all right? No hard feelings. I actually like reading all the comments, all the positive comments and negative comments. You know what I'm saying? Like, I told y'all to, you know, let me know what y'all think. Leave a comment, and I read them all. You know what I'm saying? I read them all, and I laugh. Like, when people got other things to say, I love it, man. So y'all keep on commenting, but, yo, big fire. All right, y'all. So y'all done seen the boots on the feet. All right, big wheat 40s on the feet. True Religion jeans. Y'all already seen it. And let me tell you something. My True Religion game is heavy. Like, heavy. I'm talking like big heavy. Y'all see, I got mad True Religion stuff, so. But anyways, y'all let me know what y'all think of these boots, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think of these boots. I love them. I wanted these for years, and I finally got them. You know what I'm saying? Finally got them, yo. Like, so glad, like, so happy I got them, yo. For real, man. Like, I wanted these for so long, but I can't put these down. I really can't put these down. I'm putting them down. But anyways, man, seize the moment, all right? I seen these online. I had to cop, bro. Had to cop. Seize the moment. I seized the moment with these. I seized the moment with all my other boots. I seized the moment with my Hellcat. Shit, I seized the moment with my crib, my apartment. Like, I don't care. Like, And you know, just seize the moment, all right? My YouTube is to motivate and inspire. And the message I want you to get out of today's video and all the other ones is, yo, work hard, seize the moment. No excuse, all right? All grinds, no gimmicks. That's what being a heavy hitter is all about, man. Be a heavy hitter, man. But anyways, I'm done rapping. Y'all already seen, all right? Seen these on the feet, all right? So, big energy. But listen, man, if you guys rock with me, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you don't rock with me, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Big Jordan, I'm out, and I'll see you on the next one.